Okay, so now we can see they're wired in parallel. So you just put everything down there. This wire gland is going to push your cables up and away. So when we go close the box, wired in parallel, negative to negative, positive to positive. Everything's checked in here. So what we do, run our check. Red LED or a power switch turns on that. Check this if you're not using it, turn it off so it's not drawing power. Yellow tech port works, it's going to be here. Green LED there. White LEDs on the other side. Red LED here. Flasher. You can see it working there. And your glow cup. So when we close the box, so I can do this, I can show you on camera how. See how it pushes it away. It doesn't pull into the hinge side so it can get pinched in there. So it pushes it away. All that lays right on top of there. Box closes nice and neat. You're ready to go. Just make sure you turn everything off when you're traveling. Make sure your batteries are charged at home. Close it up nice and neat. And there's your power box. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this portion. Like I said, I'm headed out on a camping fishing trip this week. So I'll do a video while I'm out there on the bank. I'll run through everything, how it works. I am going to silicone these real quick. I got to go down the garage. I don't have the silicone up here in the office. So I'm going to run down to silicone all this. And everything else is silicone. I didn't put it on film, but it's not hard. But anyway, take your silicone. You can loosen these up just a little bit. Put a dab around each screw hole. And you're done. I do it on the outside and inside, but that's just me. And there's your yellow tech port. And that's it. That's your DIY Adventure Power Box, guys. Again, I'll leave everything. I'll leave descriptions of everything that I use, the box, all that stuff. Leave links to the battery, references, the folks that I've worked with and got information from to help me build this one. And so the next video, or the final part in this video, is going to be me out bank fishing, camping, and I'll run us through its paces there and show you how everything works on the bank and the setup that I'm going to use. So on here, I don't know if I think we covered it, but I have a light and I have my GoPro, and I can also put an adapter over here to hold my cell phone if I need whatever you can mount to this thing, whatever you want to mount to. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's going to do it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Again, always, if you like what you see, if you have any questions, please like, share, subscribe, comment on the videos. But other than that, guys, we'll see you out on the bank in a couple of days. We'll shoot that video and get it posted as fast as we can. So until then, thank you. God bless you. T3 Angling out.